Here's how you can make this number count animation in Davinci Resolve. First, go to this website and download this number plus plugin and then install it. Once you install it, you can find it on the effects panel, then styling supply co, and then number plus. Drag and drop it to the timeline. Now if you go to the inspector panel and in the number tab, you will get this slider where you can set a number. So at the beginning, let's keep it 0 and add a keyframe, then move some frame forward and then increase the value. It goes up to 1000, but you can always type a different number. Oops, what is happening? I don't know if this is a bug or something, but occasionally this happens. Anyway, you can just click off anywhere and it will stop. Now just type it the number quickly. Okay, I just noticed that it doesn't go above 1 million. So yeah, you can also add decimal values. So you can increase the decimal values, then you can add some decimals. Okay, this is creating some problem for me. So I'm gonna use this suffix, type my whole number and then copy it and then just paste it. Okay, so you can get up to 3 decimals, and then in prefix you can add any other prefix or type anything and it will be added as a prefix. But let's keep the $sign, and the suffix it will add after the number. Let's add a space in front of T, and then we would have this kind of animation. And if you want to smooth the animation or change the keyframes to make it fast or slow, click on this magic wand icon, then select the template, check these boxes, fit to zoom, and then here you can get this keyframe. So you can change the timing and add some easing. And if you go back to the edit page, and you will have your animation like this. Now you can go to the text tab and then change the font, boldness, and the color. And from here you can customize everything to your liking.